Stay connected.
Good morning, my friends. Coach Vigue. I'm filming today with my brand new camera, which happens to be attached to the new iPhone. Going to be doing away with the GoPro and having all my stuff condensed into one device. So all I have to do is carry that iPhone with me and the tripod and the mat, and Addie, and we're good to go. Check in below. Let me know also, how does this look? How does it look in sound? There's things falling off my cap. This is a quick morning yoga stretch class to give you a lot of energy, focus, flexibility, and purpose in your day. Breathe in the nose, out the nose. Might be a little crooked, but that's okay. Let me push my pockets in. Let's start on our backs with a little twist. So you can imagine you're just waking up. Got to bring the knees into the chest, take the arms out or over the head, and let's drop the legs side to side. I've done quite a few of these types of flows, morning flows and evening flows. They're always very popular. Hey, it's a morning dog. She finally took interest in me. And so I hope this is a unique experience as well. Waking up the body, waking up the spirit, getting ready for a glorious, glorious day. And the sun is blocked by clouds. That actually works in our favor. Not too bright. Okay, take the left leg down. Right leg's going to come across slightly, and you're going to pull it up. So we're stretching the outside here. I know my massage therapist, Angela, who's also my client, says I need to work on this because I have a turnout. So this is definitely stretching the sides, keeping my feet parallel, my hips square. You can also take the hand underneath, draw it up. Have the cap on because it's kind of chilly. Good, drawing the leg up, draw it up. Okay, let's enjoy the other side. Right leg down. Addie's in the briar patch. Gonna go on Splash Mountain. Left leg across, draw it up. You can have the hand underneath if you like. I do these every night now. When I'm watching my old movies, I was watching an old Boris Karloff film last night called This Old Dark House from 1932. It's very good. And it will forever remind me of this stretch. Can extend the leg out further, of course. I forgot to mention that. That's up to you. In the morning when you wake up, your body is relaxed, it is warm. Ideally, you have covers on you, so you're warm. Your muscles are more pliable. Okay, bring the knees back into the chest, rocking side to side. Wiggle the fingers and the toes. Breathe into your lower back as if it's a compartment that you're flooding with water. Okay, the lying butterfly, also called the supine butterfly. Bottoms of the feet together. We're opening up the hips. Are there any elk around? You never know. Hands can be here, or press gently. So you're giving some traction, some openness, decompression to your lower back. Now you may love intense workouts. I love intense workouts. I do all kinds of cross training. But if you do not take the time to release your body, to stretch it, to work on mobility and flexibility, you'll find yourself doing those intense workouts less and less. It'll be very challenging because your body, well, hi, Eddie. Your body won't have mobility. It won't have range around the joints. It will be misaligned and unbalanced. So I'm glad you're here training with me. It's good. Very good. Okay. Take the arms up and over. Long stretch. Let the lower back lift off the mat. Getting some stretch in the abdominals. Breathe in the nose, out the nose. Think of all that oxygen flowing through the bloodstream. And burpee. No, not yet. My notes are placed very nicely up there. Okay, let's roll on to our right sides. We're going to press up. Low lunge with a mudra. Fix the blouse. Take the shoulders back and down a couple times. It is so important that we keep those shoulders back and down. Open up the chest. Instead of this, I've been battling this actually for quite a while. But awareness is key. Right foot forward, left knee down. Line up the ankle and the knee. Slide that left knee as far back as you can. It'll give you a delightful hip flexor stretch. Shoulders back and down. Lace the fingers, mess with the cap, and drop the hands down. So we're opening the chest, opening our breath, reinforcing good posture, and working the legs, because we'll probably be doing a lot of stuff with our legs today. Well, after the workout, I'm not gonna keep the camera on me all day. Okay, take the hands to the right side, drop the shoulders back. Feel free to arch into a slight back bend. Something on me, okay? Addie's looking out. Okay, other side, hands to the left side. Drop the shoulders. Take them as far as you can. Doesn't have to match what I do. I would recommend doing this every morning for a couple weeks. Keep me posted below in the comments. Because one time is good, but if you can do it consistently, it's fantastic. Like one apple is good. But if you have an apple every day, well, you get 5 grams of fiber. Okay. Drop it back for a moment. Open the chest. Arms up. Downward facing dog. Step back. Walk the legs. We'll finish up on the other side with that lunge. Add a little twist. Gather some energy. Rotating and twisting loosens up the lower back, encourages blood flow, and it feels good. If something feels good, your mind is going to shower your body with millions of good signals. Okay, where are we here? Do we just do, okay, no. Okay, left foot forward. I don't know what I'm doing. Shoulders back and open. I'm right-handed, so I usually favor the right side. Slide the right knee back. Are you okay? Eddie keeps staring over there. And open. Let the shoulders slide down the back. The more you could practice this mudra, you'll reinforce that posture. Because if we don't do it enough, we'll keep snapping back to bad posture, rolling the shoulders forward and cutting off our breath. If we can open it up consistently. All right, hands to the left side. You notice I'm hinging a little here. I'm getting greedy, going for a little extra stretch in the hip flexor. And then, boom, other side. The aspens are desperately hanging on to the remaining leaves. It's the middle of October, so some are already bare. The others still have a little of the golden hue on them. But that soon shall be gone. All right, open once more. Oh, fantastic. Boom. Once more. Downward facing dog. Can I say once more a few more times? Okay. Walk it out 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I recommend you walk the hands to the feet and you rise up and you have a beautiful, beautiful, purpose-filled, energetic, focused day. Okay, filming with the new camera. What do you think of it? Check in below. And does it sound okay? It's overcast, so that's the true test. I usually film in the sun. If this routine helped, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with people who definitely need to get their act together in the morning. And for all of my full-length programs, challenges, and videos, and even more, I recommend that you check this out.